Hey, this is Chauncey Hunter Jr. I'm in the business of helping tax professionals be more successful in their business, in their life. We coach people along the way to whatever the dreams that they have in their heart and help them achieve those things. This question that we got today is, how do I increase the productivity of my tax office? That is a great question because productivity, many accountants, tax professionals are really into the productivity side of things, and that's good. I believe that you have to define what success looks like for you and your business. High productivity in your office will be different from somebody else's office. And so you as the owner define what that looks like as you set the pace for your staff. Measuring and tracking is the only way that I know of in the real world to actually get better at productivity, because if you're not tracking it, if you're not measuring it, then workflow, how long it takes clients to come in and leave, how long tax returns, how long you prepare them you're actually preparing the return, how many minutes you spend with the client on the phone. This stuff has to be tracked and measured because you're trying for quality, but you don't want to spend your whole day with one client. You want to be productive, but you can't be so productive that the client feels like they were just a number, they came in and ran out and it was over. So there's this happy medium. And so if you don't know what these are until you start measuring, and the truth is you actually need to do a lot of measuring right now so you can set up some standards for next year and how you do it, because what you think is going on and how long you think, how much time has actually been spent with clients might be different than what is actually happening. The biggest way that I've also seen to get more productivity is actually hiring productive people. If you're hiring people that are just not productive by nature, you're going to have a real hard time making them productive. You want to start really at the source, and if productivity is a big part of your office or a big part of what you want to do, we found when we were hiring people for our tax business, we found that these stay-at-home moms that wanted to get back into the seasonal tax preparation business, they wanted their summers off. We found them very highly productive because they were very relational. They could look a client in the eyes and build that rapport. But they're so good at multitasking, being a mom at home and having a couple of kids and being responsible for all these things and maybe having part-time work or whatever. Very productive. So they're productive with a smile on their face and make people feel good. So that's an example of hiring efficient people to work in your office. Bobby Bowden once said, if you don't know who Bobby Bowden is, he's a Florida State coach, football coach a few years back, and very famous in the 80s and 90s. He had about a 10-year stretch where his football team was in the top 3 or 4, definitely top 5 every year for over a decade, winning a lot of games. And people asked him, how in the world are you able to keep this up year after year after year? And he just would look in the camera, and he said this multiple times, but he would say, look, we win these games years ago when we recruited the right players. You get the best players on the team, you're going to win more football games. The same thing applies for employees in your tax office. Highly productive, highly efficient, but also taking care of clients. If you get the wrong people in place, you're not going to have a productive office. So productivity, if that's a priority for you, you've got to measure it, you've got to hold it accountable, hold the productivity accountable. It has to be an emphasis for you as the owner, but you've got to get people in place to follow up at the same time. If you enjoyed this short nugget of information on how to maximize your success in your tax business, you probably want access to about 20 more. I've recorded them on a variety of different topics. You can go to taxmarketing.com/free videos and get access to this information. Again, that website is www.taxmarketing.com/free videos. Thanks.